it's me, Leanne, from Body Transformation 101 Beyond Diet and Exercise, and I am shooting today from my daughter Crystal's house up in Greenfield, Mass. Today I'm here to follow up on my latest blog, which was about healthy foods. And you know, your diet is actually going to get you 80 to 90% of the way to your health and fitness goals. So I want to talk a little bit about protein, carbs, and fats, which are, the three main groups. And right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that protein is probably one of the key foods, and that you should have it with every single one of your meals and your snacks. And the reason is this: protein helps to slow down the absorption of your food into your body. So if you're having a protein with a fat or a protein with a carb, it's going to slow that down. It's going to help stabilize your blood sugar, and it's going to help stabilize your appetite. Another reason why is that the body doesn't like to let go of fat. So if we don't eat enough protein, what's going to happen is your body's going to go after the muscle in your body, and it's not going to go after the fat. And the goal in weight loss is to lose fat pounds and not to lose muscle pounds. Healthy proteins include things like lean beefs, hamburgers, also turkey, fish, nuts, eggs, etc. Those are all really good sources of protein. And next, we'll talk a little bit about carbs. And carbs, we need carbs actually for energy. So there are two different types of carbs. There are simple carbs, which are include white rice, white breads, white floury types of foods. And what happens with those is the simple carbs absorb quickly into your bloodstream, and they cause your blood sugar to spike. And when this happens, it stimulates your appetite, so you get hungry quicker. You're not satisfied as long as if you were to have some complex carbs, which include foods like brown rice, quinoa, whole grain breads, multigrain breads. And those absorb more slowly into your bloodstream and help to stabilize your blood sugar and your appetite. So on to fats. And fats, believe it or not, are actually good for us. They're necessary for healthy brain and nerve activity in our body. More so probably the omega-3s than the omega-6 fats, which are found in flaxseed, cold water fish like salmon, mackerel, herring, sardines, some green leafy foods like kale and spinach. And then there's the other fats, which you have to be a little more careful with, which are saturated fats, are directly related in raising your LDLs, or your bad cholesterols, and those can be found in like really fatty meats, heavy creams, etc., that type of stuff. And then you have unsaturated fat, which lower your LDLs, or your bad cholesterol, and increase your HDLs, your good cholesterols, and that can be found in olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, and avocados. And then there's trans fats, which are a man-made fat. And this was created by man in order to increase the shelf life of some of our foods, like donuts, chips, crackers, etc. So, honestly, do you want to put something in your body that you can leave out on your counter for 2 or 3 days and doesn't spoil? I know I don't want to. And lastly, there is a very overlooked type of food, which are fibrous foods. And fibrous foods are great because they actually keep you fuller longer and are very, very low in calories. So we're talking about foods like broccoli, beans would be kidney beans, navy beans, white beans, green beans, apples and pears with the skin on. Raspberries are very high in fiber, as are artichokes, almonds, and peas. So, that's just a little bit of an overview of healthy foods and why you should try to eat certain foods and avoid other foods. And I hope hope you enjoyed this little spiel, and thank you again for joining me today. Bye.